Are you tired of sending every new user the same generic, impersonal welcome email? Learn how to edit the Zendesk welcome message in under 3 minutes. Follow these 8 quick steps to reach the editor, replace the default text, and save your changes. Let's start by navigating to the Zendesk homepage. Then, click on Support at the top right. Next, click on Admin Center to open the admin settings. Now, click the People icon on the left sidebar. Then, select End Users from the list. Scroll down until you locate the User Welcome email text. Go ahead and type in your new welcome email text. Finally, scroll down to the bottom and click Save tab to save your changes. And that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.